Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have the tools, now start animating. Open Roblox Studio, enable the animation editor, and load your humanoid rig, R6 or R15 matters for joint counts. Once loaded, set the scene to 60 FPS and position the camera close to the character. Use the animation editor's record button to capture your first keyframes. Don't overthink the first pass. Make a short 1 to 2 second pose sequence to test timing, then save the file as a new version before continuing. Now you refine motion, work pose by pose and set keyframes at each major beat so the action reads clearly. Once done with coarse poses, add in between keys to smooth arcs and adjust easing to avoid robotic movement. Make sure to test at different speeds. Slow playback reveals jitter. Use layers for additive motion like breathing or head turns, and use loop settings for idle cycles. Keep saving incremental versions so you can revert if a change breaks timing or expression. You're at the finish line. Publish the animation from the animation editor and note its asset ID. Assign that ID to an animator object or play it via script, setting the priority for blends. Test in both Studio Play and a server test so client-server differences show up. If the animation doesn't play, check the rig type matches the avatar, ensure priority is high enough, confirm root motion and hips weren't locked unintentionally, and verify the clip length isn't 0. That usually fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.